Hi, let's see how to fix authorization error accessing plugins on ChatGPT. If you have seen authorization error accessing plugins in ChatGPT, you are not the only person because many people have seen this issue, including me, some days ago. It's a problem with one or more plugins, and sometimes it can be confusing. So don't worry. So in this particular video, we'll try to see why we are getting this kind of error, and let's see how we can fix this. Okay, so first let's try to understand why we are getting this particular error. Why authorization error accessing plugins which happens in ChatGPT. Plugins not returning refresh tokens. Sometimes plugins forget to send back something called refresh tokens. It's likely forgetting a key part of a password. ChatGPT not redirecting properly. When a token expires, ChatGPT should redirect to a specific flow. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, suppose if you are facing this kind of error, you will see like this. Okay, authorization error accessing plugins. OpenAI made changes. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, the parent company of ChatGPT, had made some of the changes that affect the plugins. The error message is not clear. The message that pops up doesn't explain what's wrong with the error and how we can fix it. Okay, and in the second part, we'll see what to do if you see this particular error. Okay, so if you get this particular error, what you can do is you can log out of ChatGPT and you can log in back. Sometimes logging out and logging back can fix this particular error. Okay, so one more thing, what you can do is you can uninstall and install the plugins. If a plugin is acting up, take it out and putting it back can help fix this issue. Sometimes what you can do is if you are using a Chrome, you can try this accessing in Mozilla Firefox. Suppose if you are using a Mozilla Firefox already, try to use it in a Chrome. Okay, like that you can try it in a different browsers like Safari or Microsoft Edge. Okay, next what you can do is you can clear the cookies and caches in your web browser. Okay, so clearing all the cookies and caches will help you to fix this particular error. Okay, so use F12 to check for the errors. If you are a bit more techie savvy, you can use F12 key on your keyboard to look for more specific error. Try each plugin separately. If you have many plugins, try them one by one to find the problem. Okay, then you can check totally a different plugin. Sometimes trying something completely can help you to figure out what's wrong with the problem. Okay, and in the third part, what we see is step-by-step solution to fix this particular problem. That is authorization error accessing plugins on ChatGPT. So what you can do is you can go to plugin store in ChatGPT. This is where all the plugins do exist. Find the bad plugin. Look for the ones causing the trouble. Something like AI PDF and Coder Pad. You can also uninstall the plugins from ChatGPT. That will help you to fix this problem. You can reinstall and reauthorize them. You can put it back your plugins and make sure they have permission to work it. Try them out, test them to make sure that they are working. Just do some kind of trial and error method and just see that whether they are working now. Okay, if it is not working, just wait for some time. Okay, and finally if everything works fine, then you are good to go. Okay, so this is how you can come out of this particular error, authorization error accessing plugins on ChatGPT. Okay, so that's all about this. Thank you.